What the fuck this phone? Excuse me. So these are the Rift tires and wheels that came with the kit. Planning to build one of those, the Axial Rift rig. These tires are massive compared to the Super Swampers TSL XL. They're almost even a bit higher. They're huge. And they come with this awful foam. Like, it's terrible foam. Like, if you get wet, when they get wet, they get heavy and they break out. They suck. And the other thing is that there's no side, they won't hold up in normal situations. So inside here we have another one. You can see I can squish it here really easy, and this one is really strong. There's things like you can push them like that, very typical when you're side healing with the rig, and they deform completely. These ones will not deform, and still they're gonna have a decent squish, but they're gonna become firm when they are like halfway squished. But these ones are gonna be always super soft. This is useless. Like, look at that. It's useless. This one is firm, but it's not firm where you want them.